Okay, so on a previous video, we unboxed these two SAO figures.
Fucking trash.
Thank you, Jaden.
No problem.
But for today's video, whenever this will be posted, we have some better figures to unbox. Pokemon Trainer Amiibo and ReZero Ram and Ram figure. Hell yeah.
Let's do the unboxing.
We'll start off with the simpler Pokemon Trainer. So
Also, won't let me get a real knife.
Oh yeah, he has. I'll plug in.
He doesn't trust me.
He has a bottle opener. Anyway, yeah. So I am also a big fan of Smash. I'm an even bigger fan of Pokemon, and so I picked up this Pokemon Trainer Amiibo for Smash Bros.
All that Mario Maker 2 amiibo functionality. Get it in its glory.
It's not focusing, dude. There we go.
Yo. Hello.
Still doesn't want to focus.
My God.
Boom.
Boom.
Mm.
So that's him. In Smash Bros. Believe it or not, he works as Pokemon Trainer. You know, as a fighter.
the amiibo figure name.
Yeah, So let's watch Jaden struggle to open this box. And tell us about it.
So I've never watched ReZero, but these girls are kind of hot, so. It's an SAO situation. If they had a Xenon figure, I'd immediately buy it. So they're in a pudding cup of some kind.
It's more like a fountain.
You think? Oh, they call it a pudding cup.
Oh.
And it is a pudding cup.
Oh shit, I'm retarded.
Oh yeah, we also got this one at GameStop.
Yeah, shout out to GameStop again. Anime 3D figures, man. Step up your game as well.
Plus rep.
We're not sponsored,
Plus
no.
rep. Plus rep. We are not sponsored. Give me free shit, please. Okay, so this is Ram. I'd say she's mildly hot, you know. Got that cherry. That looks nice. Pink hair.
It
Always a
doesn't want to
plus.
focus, dude. The hell?
Just like that. Just like that.
Bro. Dude, like put your hand behind it. There you go.
That's Ram. The one no one likes, unfortunately. Now this is the only reason to watch ReZero, Ram. And motherfucking blue hair. Nice titties.
Okay, now move that aside for the main attraction. This pudding cup, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Yo, and believe it or not,
You fucking fit in the cup.
yeah. Just gonna
No.
just drop it.
Okay, why don't you take out the secret while I try and figure this out?
So, something else I picked up recently. I'm not gonna say a date, because screw you, that's why. We went to a place known as Nostalgia Alley. Independent business, and it's freaking awesome. And because I had spending money, and like, I don't know, everything else was kind of expensive, I'm not gonna lie. I got the Sailor Moon plushie.
Oh god, no fuck.
Add that to the Barbie collection. And then I also picked...
You're adding Ram.
I know.
Hi, Jorge sister.
Oh yeah, hi. I'm not gonna say her name, but hi. And also at the Nostalgia Alley, I picked up a Zero Suit Samus amiibo.
Okay, I think I figured it out. I think. Now that's a snack. I'd devour it in an instant.
Very cool.
So here's everything. We here. 2 amiibo, Sailor Moon, and best of all, thank you again GameStop for this amazing animated figure. So it's a little bit shorter than others, but I guess that's today's video. Thank you. Bye.
I'm watching. Bruh.